is a psychologist. She suddenly started feeling horribly depressed. She had experienced mild depression before in her life, years before, but this was different. She described it as having dropped into a deep hole that she could not escape from. Shortly after, she discovered she was pregnant. So her depression began before she even knew she was pregnant. She ended up being hospitalized. This is before she and I had made contact. She was hospitalized because she became suicidal. When she contacted me, she was experiencing great shame along with other things. She was saying, "I'm a therapist. I've been helping other people with depression for a good 8 years now, and I can't pull myself out of this." So, it's very interesting. If you've ever heard me speak before, you've heard me say something like, our hormones couldn't care less what we do for a living. I've worked with pediatricians, with emergency care nurses, with therapists. It doesn't discriminate. Perinatal mood and anxiety disorders can hit anyone, and of course, nothing to be ashamed of. So we worked together when she was still hospitalized, and she was put on medication, but she was not working with a perinatal psychiatrist, somebody who really specializes in this area. So when she was released, I did help her transfer to a psychiatrist who did specialize, who does still specialize, and she was given better medication for pregnancy. And so we worked together for a while. She is thriving now and has learned so much, which in turn has helped her with her clients, of course, because we can bring to the people we're working with, or even in our social lives, whatever we have learned for ourselves, right? So she is doing great now. I invite you to take a look at more stories of 100% recovery.